Well, a couple of years ago when you were here, you amazed us with a talent that you have where you made the noise of was it a cat? A kitten noise.
I did that? I have a dog too, and a cat. So I can actually do my dog pretty well too.
Yeah?
Yeah. He's a little pug, so he has breathing problems. So he's, he does kind of the, when you want to hear the guard dog pug? This is guard dog Murphy. That's basically what he does all day.
Do a lemur impression. This is my lemur impression.
This is my lemur impression. When in doubt, do the lemur impression.
That's amazing.
I love that
This is why we love Jason Dunn.
Yeah.
You should do that.